Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto E20 and I will show you how we can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So we have to remember about two very important things. The first one, the good lighting condition. As you can see, we can spot here a lot of fingerprints and other greasy marks, and also quiet place. Right now we can smoothly move for our glass. So when you open the box, you will find for sure the tempered glass and also the two wipes. We have wet and the dry wipe. So at the first we are going to use this one. And it's very simple. We have to make moves in the circle like that. And as you can see, after a few moves, we easily remove all of this fingerprints from our display. Right now, let's open the dry wipe. And we have to do the same. Okay, and right now when you finish and your screen looks good, when you put it to the good condition, you can smoothly grab this glass. But of course you have to be sure that there's no any piece of the dust or something like that on the screen. Oh, I can spot one of them right here and right here, so I'm going to remove it with my finger. We can also make it by using these wipes. So if you have here the dust, you can just drag like that and remove it. Just drag to the one direction, that's important. Right now we have to grab our glass, and as you can see we can find here the sticker. So we have to grab it, remove easily, and it will follow with this foil. Okay, right now we have to put the glass on our display. That's simple. We have to holding the bottom part, release the upper section of the glass, and remember to put it evenly for the both sides. In my case everything is fine, so what we have to do right now, just hold right here at the middle and put the bottom part. And take a look right now. As you can see, it goes automatically. You can press with your finger to make it a little bit faster. And take a look right now. Let me just catch focus right here. That's finished. We can remove this kind of the marks by pressing on the screen, as you can see. So that's what I'm going to do right now. You can make it with your finger, or also we can use this dry wipe. So take a look. And also, if you have under the display, under the glass, some kind of the dot glue marks, you can remove them like this one by pressing on them. So take a look. We easily get rid of all of this mess under the glass. Right now I'm going to turn on this phone to show you that there is no any problem with the touch interaction. Okay, and take a look. There is no any problem with the touch sensitivity, there is no ghost touching, so we can simply apply this glass on your phone and basically any kind of the glass. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.